A manual quiz lets you build summative assessment with full control, write your own questions, or let AI draft them from your course content. In the course sidebar, click Add Quiz. Two options: AI quiz, which generates the entire quiz from your course content, and manual quiz, where you author each question yourself, with optional AI help along the way. Pick manual quiz. The Quickly Create Quiz Wizard opens. 3 things on this step: quiz title, short and clear; instructions, a short paragraph that appears on the intro page. State the pass mark here and mention whether feedback is required following completion and whether a certificate is awarded. Estimated duration, sets expectations. Then the thumbnail image, click Replace to upload your own, or AI suggests to generate one. Click Next. This is where the quiz behavior gets set. This step enables you to set the number of questions and the pass percentage. Shuffle on retry randomizes question order on second attempts. Show feedback after each question. Yes means immediate learning after every answer. No means feedback is held to the end. Click Next. Pick one of the 5 intro page templates. They differ in how the title, image, and call to action are laid out. You can change this later. Click Create Quiz. The quiz now exists with 4 areas, visible in the page drop-down at the top. Quiz Introduction, what learners see before they start. Quiz Questions, where the questions live. Passed page, shown automatically when the learner scores at or above the pass mark. Here you can see that feedback has been enabled for this quiz. Not passed page, shown when they score below. Both result pages are fully editable. Let's go back to the quiz questions page. Worth flagging here, this is a 1 question per page model. Learners answer 1 question at a time, click Next and move on. Cleaner focus, easier to track, and it lets you mix question types freely without crowding a page. Click Choose Question Type. 5 types in the library. Same model as checks, but here every answer counts toward the score. Pick a type, write your question, add the options, drop in an image if it helps. To record the answer, click the blue cog properties icon and navigate to the feedback tab. It works in the same way as the knowledge checks in the course. Question 1 done. Now open question 2. Still empty. Notice the 2 buttons on an empty question slot. A blue plus to add one manually and a green sparkle to let AI draft it for you. Click the sparkle. The Generate AI section dialog opens. 4 things to notice. 1. Content depth check, displayed at the top. CourseAgent has read your actual course content and is telling you how much room there is for genuinely new questions. 2. Course-wide deduplication. This is the part most authors miss. CourseAgent scans every question that already exists in this course. Knowledge checks scattered through your learning pages, questions in any other quiz, and the questions already on this quiz, and generates only on concepts that haven't been tested yet. No accidental repeats of a knowledge check from page 3. 3. Question style. Factual is straight recall. What is X? Scenario-based wraps the question in a 2 to 4 sentence applied scenario. A learner in your team comes to you with X. What do you do? That's higher order assessment, and it's a single click. 4. Parameter inheritance. AI uses the target audience, geographic focus, prior knowledge, course complexity, and writing tone you set when you created the course. Click Edit Parameters if you need a one-off tweak. Hit Generate Content. You're provided with a number of options and take a look and choose the one you want. The question lands fully editable with the feedback automatically populated. Edit as required. Treat it exactly like a manual question. Want every AI question to follow the same recipe? Open Quiz Settings and switch to the AI Generation tab. This sets the defaults for every subsequent generation in this quiz. Question style, factual or scenario-based, as before. Question depth. Basic for recall, intermediate for comprehension and application, the default and the right choice for most quizzes. Advanced for analysis and synthesis. That's your Bloom's taxonomy lever. Answer depth controls how detailed the explanation behind each option is. While we're here in quiz settings, you can change other parameters too, including the feedback rules and pass percentage. When you've finished, click Preview Quiz to walk through the learner experience. Introduction page, then 1 question per page, then either the passed or not passed page based on your score. Manual control where you want it, AI where you need it, drawing on your actual course content, avoiding what you've already asked. with the parameters you've already set. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.